Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know, guys. Hello, guys. Hello. Hi. Hi. Okay, give me a second, guys. Give me a second. एंड में आ गया होगा वरना तो इतना ही था यार मैं तो आईपीएल फॉलो नहीं करता Okay, guys, I'm back. Yeah, okay. So, guys, in the last 2 days, we had our holiday due to Eid and yesterday due to some technical difficulties itself. So now we'll be having the classes at this really point of time itself, guys. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so could you guys let me know what is the last thing that we had did before we went off for our holiday of 2 days? Could you guys just remind me once again, just a quick revision, guys. Just a quick revision. What have we studied in the last day that we had our class itself, guys? Could you guys let me know? We studied about express packages. Resound is coming. What is resound? I don't know what is resound. I think so. This should be fine, right? Okay. We started about Express. We stopped on sending an HTML file in Express. Okay. So we learned about NodeMon. We learned about NPM. We learned about Express. We learned about send file. We learned about handling a get request itself. Right. All these things we have learned about. Right, guys? Or else I'm wrong. Please let me know. We have learned about all these things. Right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. Yes? Great, guys. Awesome. Awesome. We learned about request and response as well, right? Good. So what we're going to do right now is that we are going to continue from right over there and we are going to learn about one more thing, that is how to handle post requests. Right over there, guys. How to handle post requests. Right now we are just handling a get request. What is the difference between a get request and a post request? That is also something that we need to understand, right? So let us start with that, guys. Let us start with that. Let me unpin this message from right over here. And let me power out your chat. Echo of your sound is coming. Is the echo coming for everybody or this is just for one particular person? Is the echo coming for everybody or this is just for one particular person itself? Could you guys let me know? Highest jobs, data engineer, please verify once, then scientist. No, not at all. This is not at all true. Please try to understand it. No matter which particular position that you are applying for, data scientist, data analyst, data engineer, it is not you who decide which particular position that you are going to go for. It is the company who decides that. So you are not actually applying for any of these positions. The company decides whether they want to put you as a data analyst or a data engineer or a data scientist or a software engineer right over there. Okay. What you have to do for all these positions is study just data science. There is nothing different right over there. You have to study data science for becoming a data analyst. You have to study data science for becoming a data engineer. You have to study data science for becoming an AI ML engineer. You want to become a data scientist, you have to study data science itself. You have to want to become a software engineer, you have to study data science itself. There's no change right over there, guys. Okay, now there is no echo. No, it's clear. Only for one only. Okay, no issues in that. If it is for one, then just leave it right over there itself. Okay, so right now what we are going to do is we will be trying to understand our concept of what is the difference between a get request and a post request itself, guys. Okay, so right over here, guys, let us have this particular aspect. You are having your computer. Okay, this is our computer, guys. Okay, and then this is our server right over here. Okay, computer and our server. So post request is basically when you write www.google.com. Okay, www.google.com itself. Okay, I am sending a. I want to get access to this particular server. So this is a get request. Okay, that please get me the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file. Okay, please get HTML, CSS, JavaScript file itself. That is a get request right over here. Okay. Then you are having your forms. Okay. You open up google.com. You are having a particular search bar right over here and you write something. For example, DevTown. Okay. You search for dev. TOW and DevTown. So a new request is getting sent to the server. This time the request is getting sent with some information as well. Okay, this time you are sending a request with an information, that is the search term of DevTown. Okay, think about it as post offices. You guys know post offices, right? Please let me know. You guys are able to understand what is the meaning of postman, right? You're posting some data, right? You are taking up an envelope, you're putting some letter inside of it and you're posting it from one place to another. Right over here as well, instead of the letter, you're posting a data from your computer to the server itself. This type of request where you send some data from your end to the server, instead of asking some data, you're sending some data right over there, is called as a post request, guys. It's called as a post request. That is the difference between a get request and a post request. In a get request, you send that, okay, please get me the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file. In a post request, you are like, here is some information, take it. Okay, do something with this and show it to me. Okay, so you're sending some information inside of the post. You're posting some information right over there. Are you guys able to understand the difference between a get request and a post request, guys? Please let me know. I'm very sorry, guys. My throat is not that great. Okay. From 6 o'clock, I've been taking from 6 to 7 for 7:30. I had been taking up one career counseling session. After that, from 7:30 to 8:45, I had been taking one boot camp. Now from 8:45 to 9:45, I'll be taking up another boot camp. Then from 10 o'clock, I'll be having my industrial training class. So that will go on for 2 more hours from 10 o'clock to 12. So today there's a lot of things that I'm going to have to say right over there. Okay, so if your my voice is not sounding out great, just pardon me for that. Just make sure that you're still listening to what I have to teach and you're still trying to help. Okay, you're trying to understand as much as possible itself. Okay, so make sure that you guys are listening to me carefully. It is very simple to understand it. There's nothing too different that you're studying right over here, guys. Okay, so again, the difference between a get request and a post request is very same. In the get request, you're saying that get me the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Whereas in the post request, you're sending some information, you're posting some information to the server that take it. Okay, give me something in behalf of this. Okay, that is what you are doing right over here, guys. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to go back to our website. Okay, we are going to go and find out our Repellent from yesterday itself or day before, or what is day before day yesterday. Okay, a long way back. So Repellent, guys. We're working upon Repellent itself, right, guys? Or I have forgotten about it. I don't remember. We were working on Repellent itself, right, guys? Yes, great. So let us see our repels. I think so. We had created our repel itself. Did I create my repel right over here, or was I using something else? I don't want to write everything once again. I'm not able to find my REPL. I found it. I found it. Yeah. Okay. I was like, yeah, I don't want to write it once again. I'm going to die if I do that. Okay, no issues in that. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to first find out the code that we have to use right now. I've already written the code, HTML code, guys. I'll be giving you guys the HTML code as well, so you don't have to worry about it. So I'm just hiding my background for 2 seconds to find the code, guys. Give me a second. I know the background is black. So in the meanwhile, you guys can keep on looking at my pretty face. Okay. In the meanwhile, I'll find the HTML file that I've created for you guys. Okay. While you guys are looking at my very pretty face, I will try to find the HTML code that I've created for you. So just wait for 2 minutes, guys, so that I'm able to find the HTML code that I've created for you guys. I've kept it somewhere. I just need to find it. Okay, I found it as well. I'm very fast. That's great, man. Okay, so I found the code as well, guys. Let me open up the code for you guys and let me show you guys the screen as well. Okay, so let me show you guys the screen. Let me make my very not so pretty face again small so that you guys can ignore it for a little bit more time. And let me create the display capture once again. Okay, so right over here, guys, I've created a small HTML code for you guys. I'll be providing this code to you guys tomorrow as well, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so what you have to do is I'm coming into my I'll just drag it out from right over here. Right over here, guys, as you're able to see, we are currently present into our intro to node folder, guys. Are you guys able to see? We're currently present into our intro to node folder. Okay, click on these particular 3 buttons on the top right corner to intro to node. Are you guys able to see on the right corner to intro to node these 3 buttons itself? Please let me know, guys. Once you click upon that, I want you guys to click on add file, guys. I want to click on add file. I'll be providing you. Okay. Shit, I don't want to add my file like this. I wanted to upload my file. Okay, so let's do one thing. Instead of clicking over there, let's click on this particular files itself. Inside of the files, you are having this particular button, 3 buttons. We're going to click on that and then click on upload file. We're going to click on upload file from right over here. I'm going to select the file that I've created for you guys. This index.html file that I've created for you guys. Just I'm going to open it up right over there, guys. As you're able to see, I've shifted. So now this index.html file is present inside of our repellent itself. It is present inside of our repellent itself, guys. I'm going to drag and drop this into our intro to node folder, guys. I'm going to drag and drop it into our intro to node folder. Okay, yes, override this file. As you're able to see right over here, guys, our index.html file, I have put it up inside of our intro to node folder, guys. I put it up inside of our intro to node. So I uploaded it and I dragged and dropped it into my intro to node folder itself, guys. As simple as that. So I've already created this page for you guys. I'll be providing this particular code to you guys tomorrow, so you don't have to worry about it, guys. So what we're going to do is we are going to run this particular shell command once again. We're going to run our server once again, guys. So cd intro to node. First we need to go into our folder and then we want to start our servers. What is the command to start our server, guys? Please let me know. What is the command to start our server, guys? Please let me know. What is the command to start our server, guys? Please let me know. No, guys, not nodemon index dot html, not index.js, guys. Nodemon index.js, guys. This is what you want to run right over here. So we'll start our nodemon server for index.js, as you are able to see from right over here. Now we'll open up our browser itself. So let me find out the browser tabs. Okay, web view, and we'll open it up in a new page itself. So as you're able to see, this is the HTML file that we are now sending through our index.js. If you don't remember, we were sending the index.html file, guys. The same file that I uploaded right now, we are sending that. So as you're able to see, you are able to see this particular HTML file that I've created for you guys right over here. We are sending this particular file, which has 2 particular numbers that we have to provide as an input. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. This is the file. This is the index.html file that you will be accessing. You will be able to access from the website itself, guys. Now I put up my first number as 12 and the second number as 5 right over here. Just random numbers, I'm putting it up right over here. And I press on calculate. You're able to see you are getting the very same error. Cannot post forward slash. You're getting the very same error right over here, guys. Cannot post forward slash. Why? Because currently your backend has no code to handle post requests at the root of the website itself, guys. You're having the method to handle the get request. But right now, when you're clicking on a form submission, you're trying to post some data to the backend itself. You don't have, your backend has no code to handle post requests. That is what we are going to build right over here, guys. We are going to handle a post request right over here right now. But before that, let us look at something else as well. If this is the website that we were having, let me refresh the website, guys. Let me refresh the website and I will do a right click. I will go into the inspect option. I'll do a right click. I'll go into the inspect option, guys. And from there, as you're able to see, there are a lot of different options right over here. I'll go into network. I'll go into network from right over here, guys. Console element sources network. I'm going into network right over here. Again, I'm going to enter my first number as 12. Again, I'm going to enter my second number as 5 right over here, guys. And I'm going to click on calculate. As you're able to see, something happened inside of the network. Did you guys see that? Something happened inside of the network itself. You're getting this green line right over there. Some data was exchanged between our website itself. Some data was sent right over there itself, guys. Okay. So if you click on this particular data, you are able to see that we are getting a 404 error. Status is showing as 404. Okay. Status is being shown as 404 itself, guys. Okay, it's able to see this. Status is showing as 404. What is the meaning of this 404? Okay, we don't know. There are many HTTP status that are there. Okay, let me show you guys a meme so that I'm able to easily make you guys understand that. HTTP status code meme. Okay, so let me find the status code meme for you guys so that I'm able to easily make you guys understand the concepts in a much more easier manner. Okay, I got one of the things. What is the next particular part? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? The meme. Yeah, this is the meme, guys. Okay, so any kind of 100 error that you're getting at that point of time, that means that, hold up, we are loading it for you. If you're getting a 100 HTTP code, okay, there are many codes right over there, guys. Many status codes that are there. Okay, you're getting 100 or 101, 102, 103, 104 right over there. That means you are currently loading up. We are currently loading up the page for you. The process is currently going on. If you're getting somewhere around 200 error code, guys, you're getting 200 status code itself. That means everything worked properly. Everything is working absolutely fine. Okay, good to go. Okay, good to go itself. Here you go. Everything you have got it properly itself. If you're getting a 300 status code, itself, that means you are not permitted to allow this. You're not authorized to access this particular website itself or access this particular content. You're not authorized to access this particular content itself, guys. Okay, maybe your login logout is not correct. Maybe you don't have the access credentials for that itself. You are not allowed. Go away from here. When you get 400 error, you get a you fucked up error. That means the user fucked up. Okay, if you're getting a 404 error, that means this website does not exist. It does not exist itself. The user fucked up. You fucked up right over here. And then if you're getting a 500 error, that means the backend, the developer fucked up. Okay, the developer who created the website, he's the one who fucked up itself. Are you guys able to understand? No, it is not. These are not errors. These are HTTP status codes. Okay, these are not errors. I'm very sorry if I used error right over here as the word. These are called as HTTP status codes, guys. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. I don't know who this particular fellow is, but I don't know what he's writing as well. So I'm just going to remove him from the channel. Okay, guys. So the next thing that we have to do is, as you're able to see right over here, we are getting this error, some document that is a 404 error that this website, this post website does not exist. But this payload, the payload, as you're able to see, headers, payload, preview, response, initiator, timing. Inside of payload, you are able to see that this contains our N1 and N2 data as well, guys. It contains my N1 and N2 data as well. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Okay, this whatever it failed to get, okay, whatever it failed to showcase, this is what contains our N1 and N2 data as well in the backend. That is what we need to access right over there. So what we're going to do is, first we're going to create something that is going to handle the post request for us. So let us create a very simple code to handle the post request. So app.post. Okay, we are going to create an app.post method at the / location. We'll shift it out downstairs itself, guys. Okay, after the get request, let's handle the post request right over here just to make it a little bit more organized. And then we are going to write the function, function function, the anonymous function itself. We're going to take up the request and the response. And then we are going to have the parenthesis right over here, a semicolon at the end. And we are going to send res.send. Thank you for posting. Okay, thank you for posting itself, guys. Very simple, right, guys? Please let me know. Very simple right over here. So I've just created a method to handle the post that is coming up at the / location. That is the root of the website. And we are creating an anonymous callback function that is sending a response that thank you for posting. Very simple thing that I'm doing right over here. Let us go back to our website. Let us reload our website itself. Let us write again 12 and 5 right over here. This time, but we are getting our message as thank you for posting. This time we are getting the message that is thank you for posting, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Tanya Rana, of course, you will be able to complete the data science program itself. You don't have to worry about it. We have a lot of students from commerce backgrounds who are joining us for the same. Okay, just fill up today's attendance and somebody from my team will reach out to you. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, the next thing that we have to do is we need to get the access to that data, the 12 and 5, the data that we posted right over there. If you want to do some calculation, okay, you want to do the calculation in the backend itself. You want to get the data. You have got the data from the post. You are going to keep the data inside the backend. You are going to do something with the data, and the result you want to deliver it back to the website itself. This is what you want to do. So for that, we need the access to that particular data itself, to that payload itself. We need the access to that. So do not worry about it. That is something that we will be doing right now. First, we need to convert all this into something called as a anonymous. Okay, an anonymous arrow function, guys. Up till now, we were using an anonymous callback function. All these functions are called as an anonymous callback function, guys. Right now, we need to learn about something called as an anonymous arrow function. Now, what is this arrow function? This is the latest trend, the latest type of function that exists basically. It is much more smaller in code when compared to your ancient as these type of functions, and it is much more faster than these functions as well. Okay, it is shorter to use, okay, it is shorter to write and much more easier to understand and much more faster as well. That is the reason why we are going to use something that is called as an anonymous callback function, anonymous arrow function itself, guys. So right over here, to create an anonymous arrow function, just remove the term function first of all. Just remove the term function first of all, guys. Put up an arrow right over here. Put up an arrow right over here, guys. Remove the parenthesis. Remove the parenthesis right over here. Remove the parenthesis and the semicolon from right over here, guys. And send it back upstairs. Hey, okay, this is small, so I will just send it right over here so that you guys are able to see. So right over here, I'm just sending it in the same line so that you guys are able to see it much more clearly. As you're able to see, this is called as a arrow function, guys. This I've converted my ancient as anonymous callback function into the arrow function, guys. Okay, very simple. You are having your parent, you are having your arguments, you are having your arrow right over here, and then what you want to do with that, what you want to do. So res.send dir name index.html, guys. If you save this, go back to your website and reload the page itself. It is working absolutely fine. It is working absolutely fine, guys. Are you able to see right over here? It is working absolutely fine. Those who are facing a buffer, that is from their end. Vivek Jaina, it is from your end, not from my end itself. So please fix up your internet. That is what I will be suggesting to you. So converting a particular function to an arrow function. So let us convert the next particular function into an arrow function. What should I do, guys? What should I do first? Please let me know how to convert this particular function into an arrow function, guys. What should I do right over here? Could you guys let me know? What should I do right over here to convert this function into an arrow function, guys? Please let me know. How to convert this particular function into an arrow function, guys? Remove the term function. Remove the term function. I've removed the term function, guys. What is the next thing? What is the next thing, guys? Create the arrow. Okay, let's create the arrow right over here. What is the next thing, guys? What is next what we have to do? What is next that we have to do, guys? Remove the curly braces. Okay, I've removed the curly braces as well as the semicolon, guys. You have to remove the semicolon as well. Please not forget. And the curly braces. And that is how you are able to get an entire arrow function made directly without doing anything. It is as simple as that, guys. It is as simple as that to create arrow functions. Why do we use arrow functions? It is much more easy to understand. It is much more shorter to write. It is much more faster than your ancient as normal functions itself. That is the reason. These are the three reasons why we use arrow functions over your normal anonymous callback functions itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this arrow functions, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this arrow functions, guys? Please let me know. Great, guys. One more thing, guys. I'm going to create a WhatsApp group for us. Okay. I'm able to see a lot of questions as well that are there. So I'll create a WhatsApp group for us, guys. So let me create a WhatsApp group for us. What should I name the group, guys? Let me know. What should we name the group, guys? Please let me know. Any name suggestions for the group, guys? I want a creative name suggestion, guys. Any creative name suggestion that you guys are able to understand? Okay. Something creative, guys. Come on. BWD Warriors. Okay. Any creative name, guys? Come on, guys. Backend, DevTown, Blackend Club, DevTown Tigers. Okay, let us name it as. Okay, do you guys know Thunderbirdies? I think so. Somebody has watched the movie recently. That's great. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, let's create the. I will name it as very simple. It's an AMA with Shaurya. Okay. I'll name it as AMA with Shaurya. It's a very simple group. It's not too complicated for me. So let me make this group and let me anything else that I can do upon this. Let me see. Edit group settings, only admins, send message, only admins. Okay. And how to get the link for this? Invite group to link, copy link, and I will send it to me on mail. So I was able to see some of you guys are having a lot of questions related to your own careers and everything. So I usually organize this career guidance session itself. In that, we have the session on Zoom in which you guys can come right over there. You guys can ask whatever questions that you guys are having, and I will try my level best to answer the questions as much as possible. But each of the things that will be there, I can only allow like 200 people live at once. Okay, 200 people live at once itself, guys. So due to that particular reason itself, what we are going to do is I'm going to create 4 groups right over here. Okay, I will create 4 groups right over here, guys. You guys can join either one of these groups itself, and from there we'll conduct these sessions. Okay, give me a second, guys. I'll create the groups itself, guys. Give me a second. I hate creating groups. MA with Shaurya 1. It takes a lot of time and efforts, I feel so. New group. Next. AMA with or 2. Create group. Next. I think so. How many people are allowed in one group? Do you guys know? How many people are allowed in one group? Do you guys know that? I have no idea. That is the reason why I'm asking. 500 are allowed. 2000 are allowed. I have no idea, dude. Like, I'm creating 3 groups right now. Let us see if on the 3 groups itself. Please do not enter into multiple groups, guys. It will be of no use to you. Okay. Make sure that when you are entering into the group, do not let more than 300 people enter into one group. If there are more than 300 people into one group, just leave the group itself. That is something that I will be suggesting. We'll have 3 groups of 350 people only, so that the career guidance sessions is going. Because see, in the career guidance session, what happens is I'm going to answer all your questions during that particular time. Okay, I cannot handle more than that many number of students, right? 300 itself, that's it. So please do not enter do not enter multiple groups. Do not get more than 300 people group in one particular group itself. Please try to do that, guys, so that I'm able to organize the boot camps properly, right? So AMA with area 4. Do not let more than two. Do not enter into multiple groups, guys. If there are more than 300 people in one group, please leave the group. Join another group itself. Do not enter into multiple groups itself, guys. So I've created the groups for you. Let me get the links for every one of them. Paste. AMA 2. Paste. Then AMA 3. So I will be giving you guys the link to the groups right now itself. You guys can join the groups. I'm not keeping any attendance today, guys. Okay, I'm not keeping up any attendance today. There's a reason behind it, because we have changed the timing of the class and everything. So I'm giving you guys one day to adjust to the timing itself. So please make sure that today I'm not giving you guys an attendance. Okay, so that you guys are able to adjust to the timings and everything. Tomorrow we'll of course be having our attendance itself, guys. Also, I'm providing you guys with the with the links right now itself. The career guidance session, I want it to be compulsory for you guys. I feel so that you guys will be getting a lot out of it. Okay, please do not let more than 300 people enter into one group. If there are more than 300 people into one group itself, just join some other group itself, guys. That is what I will be suggesting to you guys. I have provided you guys with all the links, I guess. Is it working? I think so. All the links just merge themselves into one link. It's like Power Rangers out there. Let me try to create some gap between the stuff. Okay. I think so. This should work. Maybe. Is this working, guys? Please do check it out. I provided 4 links right over here, guys. The new links, could you check it out? The new links that I've sent it to you guys, could you check that out? New links that are there, guys, could you check it out? The new links should be working, guys. The new links should be working. I've given you guys a new set of links as well. I'm giving you guys a new set of links as well, guys. 4 links right over here. That should be working. Right? That is working for you guys. So please do not enter into more than one particular group. If in one group there are 300 people, please make sure that you're joining some other group itself. Do not join more than one particular group, okay? Because I can only take up career guidance for only 300 people at once, okay? I can only take up career guidance for more than only 300 people at once, because I'll be live right over there on Zoom calls, and I will try to answer each and every questions that you guys are having. So you don't have to worry about it, guys. Be answering each and every question that you guys are having related to all your careers, all your stuff as well, so you don't have to worry about it. So do not join more than one group, guys. I have provided you guys with the group links. Please make sure that everybody is joining the groups on time. Do not let more than 300 people join one group itself. Okay, I have provided you guys with the group links. Make sure that you guys are joining it on time itself. Tomorrow we will also be doing our project. Okay, so you don't have to worry. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll be starting with our project, guys. The project will be first to figure out how to do this post. Okay, how to get the information from the payload and how to use it in the backend. Okay, that is something that we have to do, right? So make sure that you guys are joining all the groups itself. That's great. Many of you guys have already joined as well. I'm able to see people joining right now as well, guys. For example, on the group 4, I'm having somewhere around 174 participants that are there. On group 3, we are having somewhere around 163 participants. On group 2, we are having somewhere around 157 participants. And on group 1, we are having somewhere around 263 participants, guys. So make sure that you guys are joining one of these groups itself on time. Okay, and we'll have the career guidance session. I will create a Zoom link. I'll put it up right over there. You guys can join the career guidance session as well. I'll be helping you guys out with any and every question that you guys are having with, is AI going to take over our jobs? Am I doing the right thing? Am I studying the right thing? Am I going into the right direction? What should I focus upon? What is my aim? How can I achieve that? Whatever questions and queries that you guys are having that I'm not able to cater it right over here, I will be catering it in these Zoom calls itself, guys. So make sure that you guys are putting up your you are joining these sessions and you're joining the groups right now itself. Okay, that's great, guys. I'm able to see almost everybody has joined the groups. So make sure that you guys are joining the groups on time, and we'll be conducting the sessions very soon itself, guys. Okay, so today there is no attendance, guys, like I've already said, because again, this is the first day, new timing that is there. That is the reason why. Tomorrow, the session will be at the exact same time. Please make sure that you guys are coming to the session on the right time itself, guys. And we'll be continuing from right over there. The 4 links are working for everybody that is there. Please make sure that you guys are joining the session itself. Okay. When is the session? The session will be, I think so, day after tomorrow. I think so, day after tomorrow should be good. Right. So make sure that you guys are able to join right over there itself, guys. Okay, so I'm hoping to see you guys in the career guidance session very soon. Okay, and we'll be continuing from right over there. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you guys. Please make sure that not more than 300 people are in the same group. Okay, please, there are 4 groups that I've created for you guys. You can join the other groups as well. Okay, you can join the other groups. Please do not join the first group right now. You can join the other groups because the first group is already like filled up right now, guys. Make sure you're joining the second group, third group, fourth group, and we'll be continuing from tomorrow at the same time at 8:45. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Please do join one of those groups. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye. Today there's no attendance again because new timing is there. People will take time to figure it out. So from tomorrow we'll be having the attendance, guys. Tomorrow same timing at 8:45. We'll be having the class at that point of time, and we'll do everything fine as well. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Bye, guys. Bye.